Here's just a little bit of insight on how it all began.
Walked into R&J with a brand new hood. Welding master took me in, told me he would teach me the ropes, how to make the metal bend. He was the best damn teacher and a lifelong friend. 5 years of grinding, sweating in the heat, saved 20 grand just to stand on my own 2 feet. Took a leap of faith, put my name on the door, down in Sanford, North Carolina, sweeping my own floor. I had a pocket full of nothing and a head full of steam, built imagination fabrication on a crazy dream. Didn't know a thing about the bottom line, just knew how to make the raw steel shine. I was a one-man show, burning out fast, running on fumes, praying it would last. 25 years old, the hardest working poor guy around, doing all the books, laying all the welds to the ground. Then you walked in, saw right through the dirt, said you believed in the man in the work-stained shirt. You rolled up your sleeves, said we'll make it all right. Mama well stepping right into the fight, packed up the shop, moved to Apex Town, looking for the big jobs, putting new roots down. We had a pocket full of nothing and a head full of steam, building imagination fabrication on a crazy dream, learning how to navigate the bottom line, watching our love in the raw steel shine. No longer a one-man show, going too fast. We're forging a life that's built to last. Now I'm 40 years old, looking back at the years, through the sparks and the smoke, the sweat and the tears. Got a 12-year-old girl who's my whole world, and a 6-year-old doggy chasing a squirrel. Yeah, the bills are still tight, and we work like hell. Every single day is a story to tell, but we're doing it together. Imagination, fabrication.